everyone, we started on zero, right? Like that kind of things, since we are schooling also and the work in term is all those points are correctly. From my things, stability means having a real job 9 to 5. Actually, that's what we thought on the beginning from where we are in the school also. So like going to school, working in the big company, and then after done the school, at least we can have a better position on the company. But that's what we thought when since day one that we go to the school. But actually, that kind of thought is really it's a old school style that always is passing until now and then. So we want to stop that because it's that kind of situation like you are staying on the same cycle that 9 to 5, and is will not grow to you as a person and then as a in the future that you can be stable in your life. So what the best thing you can do is just try to find something else that can make you growth for yourself, even can make you get the freedom for yourself that eventually yun nga na makalis tayo dun sa mga sitwasyon na ganun kasi nga dahil nga yun ang tinuro sa atin na kailangan mag-stay lang tayo sa 9 to 5 pero hindi ang nangyayari kasi we are staying in the same place na ang nag-gain lang ng growth ay yung employer na pinagtatrabahuan natin. Pero yun ang pinaka mali na natin ginagawa. So kailangan talaga tayo maghanap ng something na magkakaroon tayo ng ibang pagkakakitaan, ibang paghahanap buhay na pwede tayong makatulong sa ating pamilya, and the same time kailangan ma-prove natin din sa sarili natin na meron din pa palang other than work na pwede natin gawin. Kaya kung kinakailangan natin makahanap, kailangan gawin na natin. Wala kasing chance na magtatrabaho tayo hanggang 65 years old na aasenso tayo kasi wala naman talagang yumayaman o umaasenso bilang empleyado. Ang binibigyan lang natin ng chances na magkaroon ng growth ay yung may-ari ng company or pinagtatrabahuan natin. So, why not bigyan natin ng effort din natin yung sarili natin para at least in the end, tayo rin naman makinabang. Binibigyan na natin yung 100% sa kanila, why not for ourselves also. Kaya sa stability ng 9 to 5, wala talagang nag-growth. So, yun ay fixed salary na lang. Meron ako mga nakikitang mga nagtatrabaho, hard worker talaga, 10 years, 20 years, and then nalilirot sila. And then after that, wala silang na-save. Kasi nga, nagdidepende lang sila sa 9 to 5. Kasi iniisip nila, yung 9 to 5 is a stability na, pero hindi pala. So kasi, yun nga, yung mga ganong pangyayari. Minsan, kahit napaka-hard worker mo na, pag may nangyari siya, nagkasakit ka, one in a time, in a click, tanggal ka na kagad sa trabaho. Yung pinaghirapan mo from that year na nag-start ka, day one, mawawala lahat yun. So, as a stability of 9 to 5, hindi siya talaga yun ang dapat natin ginagawa na. Kasi, since then, sa mga ninuno pa natin, yan ang tumanim sa utak natin since sa school. Kaya napakahirap mag-stability sa 9 to 5. Kaya kailangan maghanap tayo ng other option na pwede tayong mag-growth. In the end, mawala man tayo sa trabaho or at least meron tayong chance na kumikita kahit wala tayong trabaho kasi alam natin na may income na pumapasok sa atin. So, para sa akin, stability 9 to 5 na magkaroon ng isang real job, no, hindi siya. Ang stability is magkaroon ng something na other than your job. Yeah.
Yeah, yun kasi yung tinuro sa atin, di ba? Like,
yes.
Yung pinalaki tayo, mag-aral ka mabuti para magkaroon ka ng trabaho.
Yes.
Then okay ka na.
High school or college, imagine mo how many years that we are schooling from high school, 4 years, college, sometimes you will getting the degree and elementary. Calculate those years na nag-aral ka and then in the end, like I said, minsan maraming hard worker dyan na minsan tatanggalin ka lang. Pag nagkasakit ka pa, wala na, hindi ka na makakabalik sa work. So, being stability from 9 to 5, hindi siya talaga,
Hindi siya.
So, kailangan talaga meron tayong something, another option on that. Kaya, napakaswerte natin. We are very lucky because we found this business that na different story from this community na tao na talaga nag-successful sila and they are all the same growth, lahat sila. So even their professional workers as nurse, doctor, different, pero nandito sila sa business kasi they believe na walang stability na 9 to 5 na ganun talaga. So, yeah.
So, stable ka kung yung business is mismo is sa'yo, alright? Or kung ano yung binibuild mo is sa'yo.
Yeah.
Hawak mo oras mo, hawak mo yung lahat. Like, hindi ka pwedeng tanggalin kasi sa'yo yung business, right?
Yes.
Like this online business. So,
yeah, like online business. Ang maganda lang kasi sa online business natin, dahil para siya talagang yung 24/7 working.
Yeah.
Ang pinagkaiba lang naman sila sa mga regular business like store, restaurant. Kasi ang restaurant, they have a time to close, right? So, on that time lang, doon lang siya mag-operate to gain money, to get money. Pero in our term in online business, they work 24/7, 7 days a week. So, yun lang ang kagandahan. Pero, yeah, wala siyang doon sa sinasabi mong business na mga compare sa as an employee. But compare the online business and the regular business, I think our online business is more accessible for everything from us because it's 24/7 working on background.
So, very true. Yeah, yun ang kaibahan ng traditional and online business.
Yeah, yun ang pinagkaiba talaga nila. That's the difference, right? So, between the two. Even you have a clinic as a dental or doctor, yung clinic mo pag-close, magkaroon man ng blizzard or something or sakuna, close siya. Pero in our online business, doesn't matter kung ano man ang kinakaharap ng mundo ngayon, is nagwo-work siya.
Yeah.
So people can see it, people can shop it, look around, and then that's the difference on our online business.
Yeah.
That's why we are here.
Yeah, especially in social media. As long as you have internet, you have phones.
Internet, as long as you have internet, yes, you are right. As long as you have internet,
then you're set to go.
Yeah.
So, thank you, JP. So now I'll pass this topic to Noel. So, all believe that success means hustling and working all the time.
Yeah, for that topic, I want to talk to the parents who were taught that success only comes from nonstop hustle, right? Long hours, missed moments, and being exhausted just to prove you're working hard. That belief kept a lot of stuff, as a parents. Because here's the truth: as a parents, time is the one thing we don't get back, and the amount of overtime replace missed memories. Diba? Yan po yung nangyari po sa atin. Kasi we work hard so much, na sometimes we don't recognize those milestone, together with our family, right? Kasi yung time is, very important, for our family. That's why so many us choose online business, not because we're lazy, but because we're intentional, right? We wanted to build something that can earn in the background, like JP said, because our online business is 24/7 working, even though you are sleeping or you are, outside, bond with your family. Our online business po is still working because we have automated, proven system that works for us, and yeah, success for success for us isn't being busy all day. Success is flexibility. Success is being present, right? Success is knowing our effort keeps working even when we step away. We still work, right? We have a full-time job, but we just work smarter with purpose and with our family in mind, right? So if you ever felt guilty for wanting ease, peace, and rest, let me remind you, guys, one thing a life that support your family and your well-being isn't selfish. It's smart.
Yeah.
That kinds of success we're building here in online business is for our family, right? So I think yun yung, nag-sink in sa aking self, sa aking mind, that, you need to have a backup plan that's work for you, no? Na you don't need to wait until you turn 65 to, for your pension or something like that, right? Of course, we want more, to earn more for our family, for ourselves, to achieve all those dreams, right, in our life. So I think, even we work hard, sometimes we kept asking ourselves, right, why I working hard so much, but still we are the same in situation, like, we don't achieve that dreams that we wanting, right?
Mhm.
But then again, um as a parents po, no, like JP and Ate Sheila, no, we work so much, of course, for our family, but that's why we build this online business po, no, so that we can have a backup plan, in a long term, because our online business po is you can pass on until seventh generation in your family.
Yeah.
So like me, I have a daughter po, no, na pwede ko po siyang i-pass on sa kanya when I turn, older, or
Mhm.
are, na hindi ko na kaya mag-work as a online business, right? But yun yung kagandahan sa business po namin, no. You can pass on in your family, and then, na pwede din silang mag-earn dito sa business namin, no? Kasi nga, if you reach that, you know, the ranks that we want in this business, no? Yun na po yung magmumultiple na po yung earning namin for this business, because it's lifetime monthly, ano na siya, bonus sa company po namin. Yun yung kagandahan dito. Kaya lahat po kami dito sa online business na gusto po namin yung ma-achieve, even though it's not easy, but of course, that's why we kept showing up. We kept, being consistent. And I think this online business is very, very, very good than others, because like JP said, hindi po siya katulad ng traditional business. Yung business po namin, if we have free time, we can do it in the background, but still our business still working for us, no? So yun po yung kagandahan dito. So hope you guys check and message us for this online business if you're interested. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Noel. So
Thank you.
you
Very
really
well,
like
Noel.
that topic, like you redefine success. Because before we thought like success, oh, those are the things that we show, like the flashy ones, like big houses, cars,
Yeah.
okay, vacations. But if you have those houses, big houses, those cars, but you're still gonna work for it till 65, for me, it's not success, right? Because you will be working all throughout your life just to pay. So
Mhm.
resting is really a success. Like if you can rest and you can still
Yeah.
earn at the comfort of your home with your family being present, like
Yeah.
this digital business, how this digital business works, then for me, that's real success, right?
That's the
Because
real success. Yeah.
you get both worlds, like you're present with your family, you can earn at home or anywhere, you can travel,
Yeah.
and we can see like the result, like money keep coming. So that's success.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Old belief na nga yung sabi